Hello and welcome. I'm Hemang Patel, back with another Water 101 video from 3M. Here's a question we often get from commercial kitchen managers. How do I keep my steamer cleaner? Steam is a great water-based option for cooking food compared to frying or sauteing with oil. But it can come at a cost. That's because steamers can be expensive. And since they're water-based, they're prone to scale buildup from TDS or total dissolved solids and corrosion. That can mean extra maintenance costs for you. Why is scale buildup so prevalent? While most minerals will dissolve even more in heated water, calcium and magnesium ions actually do the opposite, precipitating out of water and forming scale. On top of that, part of the water evaporates into steam, leaving all of the minerals behind, and giving you a higher potential of scaling if the boiler is not drained quickly. In boilerless steamers, almost 100% of the water is evaporated into steam, leaving all the minerals behind and forming a film or scale coating. That's why most steamer manufacturers have restrictions on the TDS levels in water, usually in the range of 30 to 125 parts per million. Now, depending on your water supply, typical TDS levels range from 50 parts per million all the way up to even 1,500 parts per million in some areas, meaning the TDS levels in your water may be too high. But wait, there's more. As I mentioned, corrosion is also a problem common to steamers, and there are several culprits. Chlorine and chloramines used as disinfectants in drinking water can also oxidize and corrode the stainless steel of the steamer. And chlorides, sulfates, and pH can cause what's called pitting corrosion, where the protective passive film on the stainless steel gets damaged from scratches or scrubbing, and corrosion starts to form a pit on the metal. The positive pits attract chlorides, which then attracts the acidic groups, accelerating the corrosion, dissolving the metal iron, and forming rust. Just like with TDS, steamers typically have a maximum specification of around 30 parts per million of chlorides, but your water source may contain more than that. Fortunately, both scale buildup and corrosion can be reduced with the right reverse osmosis system from 3M. To learn more, visit 3mfoodservice.com.